Alright team, we're back today with some more super auto pets. Let's get started. Fish otter, that's not bad. Mosquito is honestly not that bad either, but more fish is better. And let's be the wrinkled bikers. More fish, not bad. Nothing we really want there. Throw a honey on the fish. Alright, otter takes out an ant, that's pretty good. We win these. Double peacock. Not really what I mean, with the fish buff, it might be worth it actually. Okay. Alright, so the idea behind this is that, I mean, we don't really care about our otter anyway, but most people do put their stronger units in the front, so if we have a badger up there, didn't really play out like that in this situation, but it is what it is. That is a big giraffe. That's impressive for this turn. Turn 3 big giraffe is kind of really impressive. Alright, we're definitely going to throw honey on the badger and toss it in the back. Let's put that fish up front. Let's do that. We don't want a dog. Don't really want any of that either. Let's go like that. Let's actually put it like this. Alright, so 2 level 2s automatically equal level 3. So because we rolled into so many fishes, we got the max value this game. Because when we leveled up to level 2, we get +1/+1 to the whole team. We did that twice, and now when we combine it, we'll get +2/+2 to the whole team. But we're not going to do that till next turn, since we're on turn 5 next turn, which will get us a tier 4 unit. Oh, Peacock's going to do a decent amount of work here. If you're ever relying on an elephant in this game, you need to rethink what you're doing. Because that does not always pan out so well. Alright, so let's see. What we want to do here is we're actually going to get rid of the otter. We're going to play the ox. We're going to go peacock, rooster. No, we're going to stick with what we're doing. Play that, get the buff there. Play a parrot behind the ox. Freeze that garlic for the peacock. Kind of have to go turtle. Let's do that. So right now, effectively, we have two ox because of our parrot, which is pretty much unbeatable mid-game. I'd be amazed if we lost a match until like we hit tier 5. Yeah, I couldn't even make it past the second guy. I think this is the game though where I show off what I was talking about. Oh, but not yet. We'd have to pill something in front of the ox, unfortunately. I don't think we have room for the turtle now that I think about it. Do we sell the fish here? Level 3 fish? I mean, it's still early enough for a bison within the next 2 turns. But do we want to get a bison? That's really the question here. I think I'm actually going to get rid of that fish. Pill it in front of the ox to give it the melon armor. We'll sell that little honeybee. We'll put the badger in front of the ox so I can show you guys that little strategy there. Let's move them all up because they didn't want to scoot. There we go. And let's put a giraffe in there. Put a little bit of honey on the giraffe. Alright, so the idea here is that when the badger dies, it does 8 damage to the person ahead of it. Okay, so it'll take that guy out. But it just kills the melon armor, which is replaced because the badger dies. That's how that's supposed to work. And then the parrot just gets the ox effect anyway. So we have like the strongest mid-game possible. Alright, let's see. Deer's always good. Throw that on there for the time being. Penguin, but we only have one level 2, not really worth it. We could pair up the badger to really destroy these next couple of rounds. Because do we really want the peacock to get like that strong? Not really. Even though it's our highest level. I think the badger has more potential. Or the ox. Let's go ox. Yeah, this is looking good for us, although it won't quite take out the peacock. That was a shame that he sniped our parrot there. But we still win these. 6 wins, not bad. Giraffe, switching you out for a skunk. Skunk again. There we go. I don't think it's worth investing too much more in this peacock, to be honest. Not bad. 7 wins. It's looking good. It's pretty strong so far. Okay. Well, mammoth's not bad. Kind of want this peacock gone. We could switch it out for a crocodile, or we could put a woolly mammoth in the front. Let's try something crazy here. I don't know if this is a good call or not. We're gonna find out. It's kind of crazy. I think we're just hanging on to the ox a little too long here. But it worked. 8 wins. Our team's going to fall off hard late game, so ideally we just need to really nail this home in the next 2 rounds, to be honest. Nothing great here. Not bad. 9 wins. Okay, double snake. Let's pill the mammoth, give +2/+2 to our whole team. This is a little crazy. I don't know. That could be a really dumb move. This could really work out. Let's find out. Wrinkled Bikers versus the Cheesy Arms. Who's going to win this? That was unfortunate. Not looking great for us. Alright. Ooh, a snail. Double snail. And a chocolate. Okay, let's see. There's really no point in giving this ox a level 2. I think the parrot needs to go here. Let's go snail. Snail. And then level 2 snake. The only reason I was thinking about freezing gorilla is because we had a viewer request to do a gorilla build, but honestly we're 9 out of 10 right now. So we just didn't see one until too late to even attempt that. Yeah, the snake snipes really brought it home for us. Alright, not bad. Level 2 skunk, level 1 snail, level 2 snake, level 1 ox, level 2 badger. This is an interesting combo if you've already killed something in front of the ox, to just have the badger kind of destroy the beginning of their team and your ox just gets its melon armor right back. It's pretty strong. But honestly, we should have fell off several turns ago. The snake kind of brought it home for us and the skunk as well. But if we didn't win within the next, this round, we probably would have started going up against, dragon builds and other builds that would completely destroy us. So I'm glad we won when we did. Alright, let's hop back in there. Okay, let's see. Mosquito ant's not terrible. Mosquito ant fish. Can work with that. Let's be the overpowered muffins or proper firemen. Let's be the proper firemen. Danish puppies. It's a shame we didn't snipe an ant, but that's how it goes. Tie these. Alright, definitely another mosquito. Ant, fish. So we have 3 pairs of 2, so no matter what, we should get a level 2 next round, which is really what we're going for here. Not bad. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's put the ants up there. Let's get that swan. Double spider. I mean, we could. Nah. Really not that great. Alright, let's get that mosquito. Giraffe. Giraffe's not bad. Let's combine those. Let's get the giraffe, put it behind the swan, because we'll be keeping that for a bit. I'd prefer, nope. I was going to say, I'd prefer an ant or a fish here, but we're not seeing that. They're putting a lot of... They're really relying on this badger, which, I mean, looks like it's going to work for him. Alright, let's get that whale. This fish, we just haven't seen another one. Don't really want the whale, to be honest. Turtle will work for us. I did not mean to click that so fast. I really wish I bought that turtle that went by. Oh well, we get a giraffe out of it. That is not good. A lot of badgers in the back. Alright, let's see. Actually, don't think we want that. Let's sell that, get the rabbit. Let's put meat there. Let's put garlic there. Salad's not bad. Kind of hoping we lose this next one. Yeah, let's go with that. Why did I put garlic on the thing behind the turtle? That wasn't very smart. But it looks... Nope, we lost that. Alright, let's see. So let's get melon armor on the person who's going to use it. Alright, we did lose though, which is kind of big, because what we're going to do here is sell the rabbit, snail, snail. Now I know I could have salad before the snails, but if I could get a third snail here, that'd be pretty big. Which I can't. It's unfortunate. Let's do that. We'll keep them apart until next turn and then combine them. There's a lot of meat on their team. Alright, we'll take a tie. Okay, let's combine those. Monkey is a definite. Although buffing the turtle is not the best for that monkey. So let's make it a better turtle then. I mean, we could just pill the turtle so that it's buffing the... well, something else, but... oh, let's keep the turtle. We can go big turtle. Skunk would have been probably better than the giraffe. Let's keep that in mind if we see another skunk. Not bad. 3 wins. Alright. Giraffe's gone. We'll get that skunk. Pear wouldn't be terrible here. Let's give chocolate to the turtle. Yeah, not feeling a fly. Definitely do that. Let's actually unfreeze the pear, because, I mean, we want to open up that spot in case we see chocolate. See, skunk bringing the hippo's health down is pretty big right here. There we go. 4 wins. Nothing great. Okay, another monkey. Could do a cat build. I feel like it's been a while since we've done a cat build on this, but we'd have to get rid of either monkey or mosquito here. Question is, would that be worth it? I don't think so. Let's go with that. Five wins. Alright, that's a lot of skunks. Let's go with that. Let's freeze the chocolate and sorry about that, team. Just had an important call I had to take really quick. But I mean, what I was doing there is pretty easy. We're just leveling up our main squad. Level 3 skunk has saved us against, I think it's 2 oxes in a row with high health we've hit, so that's pretty big. Monkey, obviously we got to level 2. Now our biggest one is a scorpion, which is or a turtle, which is a little dangerous, just due to the fact that they usually have scorpions up front, so this is a little scary. Let's see what else we got here. Kind of want to just get rid of the monkey and play a cat just so we can see something a little different, you know? I mean, so monkey this turn would give 6/6. If we played the cow and then the cat this turn, we would get +2 +4 twice, so +4 +8. So 6/6 for 4/8. I mean, so there's really no difference, but at least I'll have something. I'll be able to show off the cat a little bit. So let's play the cow, sell the cow, play the cat, and then we get the milk, which we're going to target on someone besides the turtle finally. So let's do mosquito, mosquito. I mean, we could even sell the cat now and get the fly, just as a little extra. Now, let's stick with the cat. Cat'll be good to show. There's that gorilla we want, though. I mean, that's the issue. We want to showcase a gorilla build, but we're seeing it so late. We really need to see it, like when we level up a tier 5. That is scary. Oh, I forgot we had a level 3 skunk. That ant is significantly less scary now, but we still lose. Alright, that's an unfortunate way to go, but it was a pretty good run. We got to lethal really quick in that one, so we were kind of just barely hanging on for a while there. One suggestion came through for saying the viewers want to see hats. So I've never actually used the hats before because I kind of just like the way they look, but I mean, I could just get a hat every video. We'll just start having a different hat every video. Why not, right? Look at that little top hat. Alright, let's go otter to fish. Let's get the mosquito. And let's be the comedic bales. Comedic pieces. And the top hat's kind of big, like it kind of covers a chunk of the animal. Alright. Horse cricket's hard to beat early game. That's fine. Let's get another fish. A lot of crickets there. Get another fish. Do we really want to save crickets? I don't think so. Throw an apple on a fish. Put that there. Make sure we buy the swan next so that it gets the buff from the fish. Alright, let's get that. Let's go turtle up front. Let's pill that turtle onto swan. We would keep way later than a fish. But the fish is our best unit right now. Let's pill it onto the swan. Let's go for longevity. It doesn't matter if we lose the first couple matches anyway. Let's go like that for now. Oh, they have a level 2 otter. I was trying to figure out what they were doing. But we win these. That is very lucky. Triple swan. I mean, should we keep them as 3 separate swans right now? We get a lot more money and value out of it. So if we sell the otter, combine the mosquitoes, swan, swan. Could put a honey in the back. Could put a honey on the fish too, because that's what we have. It's better to roll. That way we get to freeze some stuff. We get to set up Wow. Yeah, so that's perfect evidence of why you roll in that situation. Draw, not bad. Alright, so let's combine. Rooster, okay. Play another one. Let's get a rabbit, play a salad. Could get another turtle. I mean, we already have it on our best unit here. Yeah, let's stick with that. Another draw. Double turtle, double ox. That's not something you see every day. Alright, combine the swan. I mean, we're on turn 6. Do we really want the ox? I think we want the turtle here. Let's get the level 2 mosquito just to get a tier up. Get a skunk, which is considerably better. Let's do that. You know, I thought I'd love the top hats, but I just don't like kind of how it goes down over the animals' heads. The skunk looks pretty sweet in the top hat, though. Two wins, alright. Bison, we are close to a level 3 swan. We might just get crazy here and commit. Hoping for a swan. And this is why you don't do that, because of course then you don't find a swan. Never mind, I lied. Rhino would be interesting. But let's get the parrot. Let's put the swan there. Let's actually put it like this. So you cannot undervalue the skunk, because that whole combination he had going there would have been a lot worse for us if we did not have the skunk for that situation. Alright, let's see. Could freeze a snail, but not really feeling it. Let's do that. Let's freeze the parrot. Run with that for now. It's a pretty basic team we got going on right now. This might be a good one to try and pivot into the gorilla build for the viewer. We also still need to do a video on like a proper summon build. Let's put the chocolate on the bison just to get it running a little faster. This seems very early for a cat, so let's do that. I'm gonna freeze that. That way we can see if we get a monkey, which we did. That is big. Alright, not bad. But who do we get rid of? We may get rid of the parrot here. I think it's going to have to be the parrot. Yeah, the double skunk. He was putting all his weight in that fish. Completely destroyed. Alright, let's see. Oh, we could go level 3 rhino too. No, okay, let's sell the parrot. We kind of need everything else on our team right now. Let's throw chocolate on the cat. Play a cow. Let's put it on the... Let's go with bison. Play another cow. Put this one on the swan. Roll. Give me another cow, come on. No other cow. That's a shame. But we can just sell that and probably go monkey. Let's go monkey for now. Monkey in a top hat's pretty sweet. Another cow. Monkey is gone. Let's throw our skunk up front with some steak on him so he hits and takes out whatever he can. Let's play the cow. Buff up our bison a little bit. Throw the skunk on there, roll. Get the pizza for +4/+4 to 2 animals. Nothing we really want here. Salad's not bad, but we can definitely find better. I'm going to be very surprised if we don't go to 10 wins with this squad. There we go. That's 7. Alright, let's fly. Fly in a top hat's kind of creepy looking. Penguin would hit all 3 of them, but we're doing food build. Let's stick with food build. Let's sell the cow now so that our sushi doesn't hit the cow. Let's roll. Nothing great. Chocolate on the cat is big. Alright, so we could tiger cub onto the skunk, or we could do a boar build. I don't know if we've done a boar build before. Be kind of interesting. Let's go boar. Let's get a salad, a hit the boar. That's interesting. Okay. Alright. That is a really low level 3 fish. There we go. 8 wins. Let's get sushi. Roll. Another cat. Not really necessary, but why not? Let's play pizza for the +6. That's right. Level 2 cat has tripled food effects, so it's 2 times +6/+6. That's insane. That is so strong. Monkey. But let's save that sushi. Alright, our bison is maxed out now. That's unfortunate. I don't think he knew that the tiger cub was not going to give the buff to the rooster because the rooster's in front, so there's not enough room for it to spawn 2 of the chicks. I hope you noticed that from that game. Let's get sushi. Man, the cat is so strong. Like, level 2 is insane. Alright, let's really quick check to see if we have the cat. We do not. So the smart move here is to get the sushi, which would give a huge amount of buffs. But we're actually going to roll and hope we see chocolate or cat, because we have never gotten a level 3 cat before. I am willing to sell stuff in order to make this work, but it looks like we were not lucky. I mean, we could sell the board to try and force a loss, but I honestly don't think... I think we'd have to sell a bison to force a loss here, and even then we might win. I think we just roll with this one. That's a shame, we were 1 cat away. Well, maybe we'll fight a really good team here. I got a 50-50 million armor swan. Gotta respect that. But I got a skunk. I always get skunk. Hey, we lost! Alright. Nice. Alright, let's find that cat. Come on. There you are. I've never gotten a level 3 cat. Food with health and attack are quadrupled. That is insane. More cats. Alright, let's see. So let's find some food. Oh, now it's going to not give me food. That's kind of rude. There we go. Alright, I guess we'll settle. No, we're not going to settle. We're going to get sushi. Wow, that's insane. They gave it to the bison. That was sad, but that is insane that level 3 cat's nuts. Alright, there it is. Level 3 cat, level 1 boar, level 3 swan, which we could have gotten rid of that since we had the cat now. Level 2 bison and a level 2 skunk. Not bad. That was a good couple of rounds today. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.